Sunshine. So today I'm going to be unboxing my September Glossybox. This is the second Glossybox I've ever had. Glossybox is a new subscription in my life, but I got it because people compare Boxycharm to Glossybox all the time, and Boxycharm is the best subscription box in the world. So I want to know if Glossybox is any better, if it's any worse. What are the pros and cons of Glossybox? So basically, Glossybox is $21 every month. In it, you get 5 full-size luxury items. That's what Glossybox says. I'm not a luxury expert. I'm kind of like, I'm not a luxury expert at all. So I really don't know. I'm just going to judge my level of excitement of the products that I get from Glossybox in comparison to Boxycharm. So, with that said, I wanna make a statement. I've said before that Glossybox did skincare. I always thought they were just centered around skincare. But I wish I like signed up earlier, because I literally always thought they were just based around skincare. But I mean, like, they proved me wrong with the first box that I got, so that they aren't just based around skincare. It's literally like beauty, which is so exciting. Oh my god. The first thing that I have in my Glossybox is this Context Microderm Regenerator. Now, you guys know what I want to say, because I literally say this every time I get a box. I'm kind of tired of getting cleansers. If I got a penny for every cleanser I got in my subscription box, I'd probably have like maybe $10, because like, I mean, that's a lot actually. That would mean I got a lot of cleansers, but it just feels like every month from one of my subscription boxes, I get a cleanser. Maybe I shouldn't be complaining, because like at least it gives me like the opportunity to test out a variety of cleansers, but I really wish they kind of sent me like something like makeup remover, because that's what I need more of. I need like more face cleansers that will remove my makeup. So this is the first product that I got. I'm not like super thrilled with it. The second thing that I'm pulling out of my Glossybox is this Pretty and Wild Rose body lotion. Now that is not I've never received a full-size lotion in one of my subscription boxes before. So this is exciting, and the packaging for it is super duper cute. So it's from Wild Garden, a brand I've never heard of before. Let's smell it. I'm not a fan of floral scents. I'm not a fan of rose scents. Just want to put that out there before we smell this guy. But that doesn't really like, it's like bright smelling, like kind of like it's got the brightness that citrus scents have, but it's not overpoweringly floral. I actually am really excited about this. Next thing that I'm pulling out of my Glossybox is this charcoal pore care from LapCos, or is it LapCos? LapCos maybe is what it is. Daily Skin Mask. So it's a charcoal sheet mask with fine charcoal powder, detoxifies and tightens pores. I cannot use this because we have discovered that I have a sensitivity to charcoal on my face. Like, I tried using this charcoal toner and it like hurt my skin so bad. And then I tried using this charcoal soap, and there's just something, I don't know if it's a gradient paired with charcoal like based products, or if it's just the charcoal itself that I have problems with. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this from Style London. So this is, oh, something I almost just dropped. This is the Eaton Square eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to show you guys what's on the inside of this palette. Look at this cute little eyeshadow palette. Boom, wait till I open it up. Whoa, boom, look how freaking cute that is. It's so pretty. It's like, it speaks Thanksgiving. It speaks fall to me. Like, it's so freaking gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna shut up, and I'm gonna swatch. These don't have shade names. It doesn't have any shade name of any sort. So I'm just gonna go basically in the order I'm gonna go. So I'm just gonna go boom, 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 and then we're gonna talk about the shades once I'm done swatching. Oh my gosh, I really am not very good at swatching. I promise I'm gonna get better, guys. Okay, so let's see if I hold my arm like this. Can you guys see? Like here, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye to my face for a hot second, and we're gonna have to talk about swatches. Okay, so this first shade, as you guys can see, it's very pretty, but it's very light, so it's not really picking up on the camera. It was this one right here. I have to say, I feel like this would be way better used as like a highlighter rather than anything else. Okay, but the rest of it, like, look how freaking pretty. Like, look. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this. I can't wait to actually like play around with it. Okay, so we have 2 matte shades. This is like a tan-ish orange color, and then we have this like purple mauve color. This shade right here is this shade in the palette. Here's that mauve color, and here's that like that orange is tan. So this shade right here is this shade right here. This is like truly the only color that I had problems with in the palette. I just don't feel like it picked up very well. I don't feel like it's like, okay, it's better than the eyeshadow palette that I got in my Boxycharm, but in comparison to the rest of the shades, also I have eyeshadow up here, but in comparison to the rest of the shades in this palette, it just doesn't stand out. Like, it doesn't perform as well as these other shades. The mattes weren't streaky, they weren't powdery, they freaking went on and they like are there. The color's there. I can see my mattes. The mattes are performing as well as the metallics. Like, look how amazing these are going on. The red. Like, can we just please talk about this for like 2 seconds? And then here we have the metallic, not the metallic, these are all metallic, I mean the copper. Like, oh my goodness gracious. And then we have that like light orange color. Oh, and I almost just dropped this guy. So here's all of those gorgeous shades. I feel like they're so freaking pretty and they're like butter. They went on so amazingly. Why have I not ever heard of this brand before? There literally was not any fallout. It's not like clumping up. It went on. I don't have primer. Girl, like, oh my gosh. I'm just so in love with this. It literally makes me so happy. The last thing that I have in my September Glossybox is this 12-hour lip color from Mood Matcher. So this is one of those lipsticks or lip products that you put on your lips, and it's green. The tube is gonna be green, but there's something in this lipstick that like reacts to the pH of your lips, and it turns this like pink color. So as you guys can see, we've got like, again, like I said, I swatched it before, so there's a little bit of pink with the leftover oils on my skin that's on the product. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch this on the back of my hand so you guys can like watch it. Like, whoa. And then I'm going to put some on my lips. I do have chapstick on. I'm going to take that off. And then we're going to see what the color turns out to be as we watch this darken. Like, wow. So I only have the lip product on my bottom lip. I don't have anything up on my top lip. I didn't apply anything on my top lip. I don't know if the color is transferring at all because of my lips touching when I'm talking. But bottom lip has the product on. Okay, so here is the lip product all on my lips, and as you guys can see, like, this is green, like, it's green, but the pH is matching my lips, and as you can see, it's a very different color what I have on my lips compared to like what I have in the back of my hand. But I've wanted to try one of these pH reacting lip products for like the longest time, and I'm so incredibly excited that I actually got one in my Glossybox. The only complaint that I have about this is I feel like, just like looking at this, I'm like, okay, I literally see packaging like this at like the dollar store, like the dollar store lip products. I know it's a lip crayon, but I feel like they could have at least done something a little bit exciting to make the packaging look more luxury. The last thing that I got in my September Glossybox is from Freeman. It's a volume dry shampoo with original citrus. Let's see if it actually smells like citrus. Okay, ready? No, it doesn't actually really, it doesn't smell like citrus at all. That is everything that I got in my Glossybox. So let's see what I got in my September Glossybox. I got this face cleanser. I got this volumizing dry shampoo. I got a charcoal pore mask. I got a rose scented body lotion, and I got this absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Like, honestly, like, the eyeshadow palette is so freaking pretty. Oh, and we got I missed it. How did I already lose it? And we also got the pH lip, I don't know what, like, is this like it's not a chapstick. I'm just gonna call it a lip crayon. So we got the pH matching lip crayon from Fran Wilson Mood Matcher. So that is it for everything that I got in my September Glossybox. What did you guys think of this box? Is it any better than Boxycharm? Do you feel like Boxycharm won, or do you feel like Glossybox won for September? What is your favorite product? What is the product that you're most disappointed in? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.